Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am super excited about this look. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created this beautiful dark skin Instagram baddie Valentine's Day makeup look. And if you like the hair, I can make another video on how I make my wigs, because this is a custom made wig that I did myself. I know, right? I didn't go into much details about the hair. I can do that in another video. But if you do like the video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more looks like this. So let's do it. Okay guys, let's get started. I'm going to use this eyelid primer to prime my eyelids. I do that because it makes the eyeshadow colors stand out better. And then I'm going to use my finger to blend it in a little better. And then I'll be using this hot pink as my crease color. Just gonna apply it and rub it in a little more. And then go back in with my brown just to tune that pink down a little bit. You don't want too much pink on your eyelids. Makes you look a little crazy. And then I'm gonna go back in with a lighter pink and apply it to the lower part of my eyelids. That's going to be our actual color of the day. And then I'll go back in with my brown just to blend it in a little better. Yeah, just keep blending. And then I'll go in with a darker brown to the outer corner of my eyes just to give it like an ombre effect. After that, I'm gonna just highlight the bottom, or I guess top portion of my eyelids. Is that what that's called? I'm not sure. But it makes your eyebrows stand out a little better. And then this is my very favorite part. It's the cat eye if you like cats, or wing eye if you like chicken wings. So now I'm getting ready to apply my lashes, just because a look like this without lashes, who does that? Where they do that at? So yeah, just making sure my lashes stay on. And I do still use the hair glue for my lashes. I've used it for years and it works just fine for me. So now I'm going to use this MAC concealer to conceal all the areas on my face that needs concealing. And that includes everywhere. My eyes, my chin, my nose, my forehead. I mean everywhere. I should really just conceal my whole face, but then I'll look even more crazy than I look now. Anyways, I'm gonna use this damped beauty blender to just blend out that concealing. It takes a while. I'm gonna rush through this, but it really does take time to blend that whole thing out so it doesn't look as crazy as it looks right now. And I'm also going to go back in with my MAC Studio Fix foundation. That's my favorite foundation. It's really long lasting and it just works for me. I use the Mercier translucent setting powder just to set all the places on my face that were concealed. And once again, that's almost everywhere. And I just take my time and blend it in. And now I'm gonna go back to my contouring. Like I said before, I always start from the bottom of my eyebrows and work my way down to the tip of my nose. It just helps slim down your nose a little bit. And a girl needs that. And then my jawline. And then I'm gonna use this MAC blush. Sorry it didn't show very well there. My light is just acting up today, but it's like a pinkish tone. It's really pretty. It just warmed things up a little bit. And I just use that all over my cheeks, making sure to blend it. And then I'm gonna go back in with my highlighter. Make it glow, girl. And then the bridge of the nose. And then this is my little trick. I use my finger and just tap it right there at the tip of my nose, help my highlights a little better.
And I'm still blending. I'm gonna use this spongy brush and go back in with the same color that was used on my eyelids. This gives it that smoky eye look. And the mascara to blend my falsies and my real lashes. And then back with the spongy brush, I'm gonna use the brightest highlight in the inner teardrop area. I don't know why I call that teardrop. I'm pretty sure I made that up. Yeah, I know I did. And then for the lips, I'm going to use this NYX lip color. I always line my lip first, and then I apply the color and then blend them both. Like that. And then for the setting spray, I use the Skindinavia setting spray. And here we go. The finished look. Ta-da!
Okay guys, that's my version of a Valentine's Day date night makeup look. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!